Welcome to the EECCOA Challenge instructional video. If you are watching this video, you are a student participating in the EECCOA program and the EECCOA Challenge. EECCOA stands for Energy Efficiency to Mitigate Climate Change and Ocean Acidification, and it is a science program of the Merito Foundation. The Merito Foundation is a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting the ocean through education, conservation, and citizen science. We seek to inspire a new generation of environmentally minded science professionals. The EECCOA program involves in-class and field-based science activities and empowers students like you to address climate change by developing environmental business plans which propose a change on your school campus to make it more environmentally sustainable. EECCOA is sponsored by NOAA BWET and other important contributors such as Ventura Water, Channel Islands Harbor Foundation, and other organizations and businesses in the region. If you follow the guidelines I'll explain to you in the next few minutes, you will have a stronger chance of winning cash prizes. The EECCOA Challenge has been running since 2016, and up to date we have dispersed over $36,000 in cash prizes that have ranged from $1,000 to $250 per team to students in grades 6 through 12 who made a strong effort in the development of their project proposals. Some of the project proposals from last year are being implemented in schools. These projects intend to reduce the carbon footprint of the school campus by reducing the water, energy, or trash bills of the school. To enter the EECCOA Challenge, you need to propose measures in one of the following 4 tiers: energy efficiency, water conservation, waste reduction, or develop and, if possible, implement an ocean acidification outreach campaign to inform your community about this issue. In this video, we will go over 6 steps to successfully complete and submit a project proposal for consideration in the EECCOA Challenge. All the steps are detailed in the EECCOA Project Builder Workbook. This is the most important tool you'll have to create project proposals that are complete and follow the guidelines of the EECCOA Challenge. Other tools available to you include previous year's presentation slides, videos compiled on the YouTube channel, and a list of online resources for each tier. You can find these tools on our website by following the link bit.ly/EECCOA Challenge and in the description box of this video if you are watching from YouTube. Let's take a look at the website. The homepage shows the 4 tiers on which you can focus with a brief description of each. The second tab on the menu will take you to the Guidelines and Rubrics page, where you can download the student project building workbooks for each tier. The third tab will bring up the Winners and Project page, where you can explore winning proposals from previous years and other examples that have been selected from each category. Only a few examples have been posted here, but you can explore more videos from other winning projects on our YouTube channel. Under Playlists, you can find all of the videos from past winning project proposals organized by year. Below the videos, you will find examples of presentations submitted by student teams from previous years. You must submit a digital presentation of your project proposal to be considered for the challenge, so make sure you check out these winning presentations. You can use PowerPoint, Prezi, Google Slides, or other platform to create your presentation. Next, on the website menu, you will find the Resources page. This is a list of resources to help you research and design proposals and offer inspiration while you develop your project ideas. Go to the EECCOA Challenge website to explore these tools and resources by clicking on the link at the upper right corner of this video or going to bit.ly/EECCOA Challenge. They have also been added in the description box of this video if you are watching from YouTube. Now that you know about the resources available to help you with your project, let's go through the most important tool you will use to develop and submit your proposal, the EECCOA Challenge Project Building Workbook. Step 1 is create a team. You still can design a project proposal and enter the challenge by yourself without a team. Things are evolving rapidly with this pandemic, and in light of the required social distancing and forced isolation orders, we understand that some of the required steps identified in the project builder may not seem feasible to perform.